A very good day to all my listeners all across the world. Welcome back to my podcast, George Nathaniel, and this is George Nathaniel for each one of you. Well, listeners, here's wishing you once again a very happy new year of 2025. And I'm sure each one of you are going to scale new heights and succeed in everything that y'all plan or endeavor to achieve by the end of 2025. I have another very interesting topic for today, and the topic for today is outstanding. Master yourself. Well, when I say outstanding, master yourself, there's a very nice two liner that comes to my mind, which I would like to start my podcast with. The two liner is don't let a day go by without impressing yourself. I repeat it once again. Don't let a day go by without impressing yourself. Well, that would make you outstanding and that would make you master yourself. As we know, character is revealed with pressure. And of course, pressure brings out the best in each one of us. So, when I talk about outstanding, master yourself, I would say on a day to day basis, find that scope that you need to work on. Find that scope of weakness to make it your strength. And outstanding, master yourself, it's about being the best version of you, being the best efforts that you put in. And when I say outstanding, master yourself, there are a few things that you need to master on a day to day basis. You need to move over waiting. Be inspired. Move over complacency. Start afresh with learning. Move over failures, turning them into success. Move over with time, marking your impression. And of course, most importantly, moving your dreams or wishes to reality. It's very important for all of this is to be outstanding and master yourself. I read a very interesting quote, and I'm not sure how many of you would actually go with it, but it was very interesting. It said, if hard work pays, show me a rich donkey. Well, I don't want to contradict this. I don't want to say anything. But yes, hard work alone does not give you success. It takes a lot of collaboration, compilation of all the goods that you focus on, all the weakness that you work upon, and all the preparation to make you the best version of yourself, since each one of us know that no one is perfect. And that takes us to a point that we call outstanding, where you master yourself. Today, I've written a two-liner for each one of you. Today, I've written something that is very simple, something that is very precise, and something that each one of us can apply to our life. It says, start little, start to delight. Start your journey on your stars at sight. This is something that I have written and I hold the patent to. So we've got to start little and we need to start to delight. So little things builds our confidence. And in all my podcasts, I talk about key takeaways in our personal lives, our professional lives, or in our contribution in life. But out here, I must tell you, just remember the key to anything is to be active and to keep moving on and on in life. You need to fuel yourself to build your dreams, and it goes or requires your engagement in your work, in your motivation, in your results. So when I say engagement in your work, it's in your work that you do personally, professionally, or any contribution. Your motivation is your interest. It's your effort. And results come from what you do. So engagements is what we spoke about. Learnings. So when I say learnings, it's about growth adaptation, and milestones. So when I talk about learnings in terms of growth, we need to understand that every success takes us one step ahead, and every failure helps us to take a bigger leap in catching up with time. Adaptation with all the highs and lows, adaptation with all the successes that we have in life, and milestones. We should not forget our milestones with little successes that we achieve in life. The overall milestone is the biggest milestone that each one of us is working towards. And lifestyle. To engagement, learning, and that leads to our lifestyle. So when I say lifestyle, it's about our passion in what we do, our passion in what we put in. It's about our progression in life, and it's about being responsible. It's our responsibility. My favorite quote in life is something that Superman says, that with great powers comes great responsibility. So outstanding, master yourself. It's about engagements, learning, and your lifestyle. So for all of this, you need to focus on who you want to be in your life. And for that, you have to be the best leader in yourself, to mentor yourself, to bring out the best performance in everything that you do in terms of your contribution, personally, professionally, or any engagements in life. And when I started this podcast, Outstanding, Master Yourself, I told you that two-liner, which I want to repeat it once again. Don't let a day go by without impressing yourself. That is outstanding. Master yourself. And remember, the sun shines alone. Eagles fly by themselves alone. Lions are always alone. Powerful. That is called outstanding. Master yourselves. So listeners, as you know, I keep all my podcasts very simple, very precise, and just insights towards your own goals in life. Something that can help you make your work even more easier, and of course achieve your goals as you go along life. My podcast is available across all platforms, and I also have my blog website, which is called georgenathaniel.net. You can come and listen to my podcast, to read my blogs, and of course come and give in your shares, but how or what I can share to help each other grow faster in life. I hope you like listening to this podcast, Outstanding, Master Yourself, and yes, wishing each one of you a very happy and successful 2025. This is George Nathaniel. Thank you once again.